What kind of furnace filter should you use in your furnace? It's a great question, and there's lots of options, and everybody does not need or want the same one. You can start out with the low end where you're letting all of the air through, no problem. Unfortunately, you're letting a lot of the dust through too. Those are your $2 filters. They're the most common ones we see in houses. Great at letting the air through, not good at keeping that dust out. Next stage up from there, we've got your $10 filter. It's going to be a pleated kind of woven type of thing, and that's the minimum we like to see people use. It doesn't restrict the air too much, and it doesn't cost a lot either. And therein lies the conundrum, getting something that's truly efficient to work with your filter, working as an air cleaner to get your air clean in your house using your furnace. It's easy to get something that's really dense and takes dust out. It's not so easy to get a huge volume of air through like your furnace needs and be efficient. The bigger the filter, better. So you're talking about a 7-inch wide cabinet and a big filter in there, and that's the way to go. There's also electronic air filters. Those type of filters you don't need to replace, but you do need to do the maintenance. If you're not doing the maintenance regularly and you're not doing it properly, terrible choice. Most people that we see that have those filters, they don't do enough of the maintenance, and then their furnace suffers as a result of it. See your furnace professional, call Acclaimed to find out more, and we'll help you figure that conundrum out. Kevin from Acclaimed Heating, Cooling and Furnace Cleaning.